Oh, village, oh, village, oh, village, oh, village. Faith is taken the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. If you lift your first step with courage, you never know what you gain. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. If you lift your first step with courage, you never know what you gain.
What turns your life on? What turns your life on? What turns your life on?
It's a promise, it's a promise, it's a promise, it's a promise. Our promise will fill your dreams, and it will come true, and it will come true, and it will come true. Village.
Hello friends, how are you? Are you crazy to know about something different? Yeah, that's why I'm here. First you tell me what a human wants in his life. A beautiful house, a luxury car, a comfort life. For all those we need money, money, money. And to make money we need dreams. A big dream. There is no shadow of doubt that nothing happens unless we dream first. To do great things we must not only act but also dream. Not only plan but also believe. When you are dreaming alone, it's only a dream. When we are dreaming with others, it's a beginning of reality. No one should negotiate their dreams. Together, we can bring a change when we have a dream and a plan. There are various examples in this world who have made their dream comes true and they become successful. Success is not ready-made, but it is achieved with proper dream and plan. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India, came from a small village near Rameshwaram in South India. Dr. Kalam rose to heights that are only matched by his vision and ambition to positively affect the life of billions. Dhirubhai started off as a small-time worker with Arab merchants in the 1950s and moved to Mumbai in 1958 to start his own business in spices. After making modest profits, he moved into textiles and opened his mill near Ahmedabad. Dhirubhai founded Reliance Industries in 1958 and today the company with over 85,000 employees provided almost 5% of the central government's total revenue. Amitabh Bachchan is undoubtedly the greatest star of all time. Titles like superstar, #1 actor and one-man industry came into existence only during his tenure as the undisputed king of the Hindi screen. The significant part is that the Bachchan mystic was not a temporary wave. It was literally a mass hysteria that lasted for over 2 decades. He had to struggle to get into Bollywood in the initial stage. You can also become like them. Are you ready for that? Say how? Village Network Marketing Private Limited has started its journey with a unique plan to help you in achieving your dreams. Many individuals achievers are in the peak of their success with Village Marketing Private Limited. Its most popular program, India on Wheels, helps you to achieve many things. Through his program, you can be owner of anything that dream. Be it gold, excellent mobile phones, LCD TV, washing machine, bike, luxurious car like Mercedes-Benz. Village Network Marketing Private Limited. Today, the company has been able to spread across the country. The journey that began in Delhi is now spread in most of the states, including all the states of northeastern region, which also includes Sikkim. So what are you thinking now? How to get those products, including luxurious car? Here we are. To lead common man towards prosperous life and to be the top networking company, Village brings the following plans which would suit you and give you the opportunity to achieve all success. Our membership plans start from 1500 to 1,05,000. Each of the plans carries different products. Some have fridge, other may have camera, handycam, laptop, desktop, AC, gold, two-wheeler, car, luxury car and commercial vehicle. You choose your plan according to your dream product. On choosing the plan, after deduction of registration, handling fee, the company gives product on MRP from redemption product list. On joining, the member gets a kit which carries a product voucher, a system brochure and an ID card. You can redeem the product in a single bill or a multiple bill as per your choice. From the product redemption list, the validity of redemption is 2 years from the date of joining. Let's say you have chosen a membership plan for Maruti 800. This plan is known as family plan. So for that, the membership fee is rupees 30,000. On joining, you get product worth rupees 27,000. Every membership plan carry a target points. For this family plan, the target is 111.18. Now to achieve this membership plan, you need to refer members to the system. Let's say you talk to some of your friends, relatives or neighbors. One of them says that he likes a car that costs rupees 4,20,000 in the showroom. He has to join 60,000 membership plan Desire. On joining, he will get product worth rupees 54,000. By referring him, what do you benefit? You benefit his referral points, that is 8.235, which start accumulating for your achievement. At the same time, you get a running commission, that is 8.235 into 500, that is 4117.50. Let's say you sponsor another friend to the system and he joined the same plan as yours. So he has to pay 30,000 as membership fees for family plan and he'll get products worth rupees 27,000 and you benefit his referral point, that is 4.118. At the same time, you get a running commission, that is 4.118 into 500, that is 2059. As you join any membership plan, you get 3 types of income. The first is referral income. This income is just by referring members into the system. The second one is generation income. This income is from your repurchase and your downline repurchase. The last one is binary income. This income is from the matching point on the right and left, which means you're having position in binary also. As you have referred members in the system, you can pluck one in your left and one in your right. So your binary structure starts. Now let's say you have talked with one more friend of yours. He says that I don't have a big dream. If I have one washing machine, I'll be happy. So you can suggest him a basic plan of 1500 fees. On joining, he will get product worth rupees 1000 and you benefit his referral point, that is 0.162. At the same time, you get a running commission, that is 0.162 into 500, that is 81. As this friend of yours will also need to come to the binary structure and as your right and left is already filled, where do you pluck him? You can spill him to the extreme right or left. For example, let's spill him to extreme right and as more members join, you can spill the same way. Now the point which you have accumulated, that is 8.235 plus 4.118 plus 0.162. Now with more sponsoring, once your accumulated point reaches your target point of 111.18, you become achiever and you get 2,10,000 minus TDS and this is your income number 1. Same time you are getting a running commission point into 500. you earn another income, that is 111.18 into 500, that is 55590, and that is your income number 2. When you sponsor someone in any membership plan, you get his referral point. To achieve the membership plan, at the same time, you get point into 500 income. But when these members start sponsoring members under them, what do you benefit? You benefit point binary commission. 1 point on your left side, 1 point on your right side, which makes 1 pair point. As you see, one of your member joined on your left with 8.235 and another member joined on your right with 4.118. Now your matching point is 4.118 and whatever is not matched is carried forward. In our business, one time registered is lifetime registered, that is lifetime membership. No income capping, no flash out, your balance is carried forward, and no time limit. You can work in your flexible time. The payout structure of point binary plan is as follows. From 1 pair point to 10 pair point is rupees 60 per point. From 11 pair point to 50 pair point is rupees 50 per point. From 51 pair points onwards, rupees 40 per point. For example, how do you earn in point binary structure? Let's say you sponsor someone in the basic plan fee 1500 and you get 0.162 as referral. When you sponsor someone in luxury plan membership fee 1,05,000, you get 17.5 as referral. Now let us take 1 point as average for calculation. Let's say you have sponsored 2, whereas you see you have sponsored more than 2. But just for example, let's say you have sponsored 2 and each below you has sponsored 2. If every person join in 1 point and if your flow like this goes up to 15th level, then your income can be 13 lakhs plus minus. A member that does not know much about networking may ask you one question. Do I get income in the 15th level only? The answer will be no. Your income starts from level 1 and when you total from level 1 to 15th level, your income can be plus minus 13,11,380. Your income continue to 1000, 2000 any level and this is considered to as your infinity income and this is your income number 3. Now let's say you have sponsored me and I sponsor members and achieve my package. I'll be happy because I'll get 2,10,000 minus TDS. On achievement, what do you benefit? When I achieve, you benefit leadership bonus of target point into 100. So 111.18 into 100 is 11,118 as this is leadership bonus. You need to be leader means you need to be achiever or else your bonus will go to your achiever uplines. Let's see an example how it works. You achieve sponsoring few members under you. Once you are achiever, you are leader now. Now these members will sponsor members in their downline. Say in this line. Before the upline members achievement, last members achieve. The target points into 100 bonus comes to you. But if there was an achiever in between, what would be its position? The last member's target point into 100 bonus will be given to the member who has achieved in between and the target point into 100 bonus will come to you. But when the last member achieved, there was no achiever in between. The last member target points into 100, his bonus comes to you. And only after his achievement, the member in between also achieve. The target points into 100 bonus also comes to you. It means if a member start achieving from down the line, you may achieve more bonus than one. But one thing is granted, that if you are an achiever, you get one bonus from each line. And if members start achieving from down the line, you stand a chance to achieve more bonus than one. And it can be a lottery to you and this is your income number 4. Now within 10 minutes you can explain anyone that how he can get a car, how he get point into 500 income, how he gets infinity income and leadership bonus. Before you close down the plan, show him or her what he benefits just by sponsoring, the smallest plan and the biggest plan. And when he sponsors someone in basic plan membership fee 1500, he get referral point 0.162. Our standard value for 1 point is 1888. So he get 0.162 into 1888, that is 305. Also he get point into 500, which means 0.162 into 500, that is 81, which come to total of 386. If you see in percentage, it is 25% of 1500. The person who joined get product worth 1000, and for sponsoring him, you get 386 referral income, which is just by sponsoring. This income is from number 1 and 2 as shown in our plan. On the other hand, if you sponsor someone in luxury membership plan fee 1,05,000, you get referral point, that is 17.5 into 1888, that is 33040, and 17.5 into 500, that is 8750, a total of 41,790. If you see in percentage, it is 39.5% of 1,05,000. You can earn anything in between 25% to 39.5% just by sponsoring. This plan, which we have just shown you, is called 4-point plan. Here we earn 4 types of income just by sponsoring. Do you want your income to continue for long? If yes, see this. As you know, we have products, and more products to follow. For this, view our website www.storesandmore.com. As in the previous plan, we have shown the direct structure under you like this and binary structure like this. As the members who have joined under you will sponsor member under them to achieve their plan, say your first friend who have joined in desired plan fee 60,000, sponsor 2 under him, whereas he is going to sponsor more. Just to show an example, say he sponsors 2, they will get automatically plugged in the binary structure. They sponsor 2 will get plugged in the binary structure and they again sponsor. 2 will get plugged in the binary structure again, and they sponsor 2 will get plugged in the binary structure again, and they sponsor 2 will get plugged in the binary structure again. Sponsoring continue. Now let's say your other friend who has joined in family plan fee 30,000, sponsor 2, as we said, we can spill 1 in left and 1 in right. If one side is already filled, you can spill it to extreme left or extreme right. As in this structure, left is empty, he can plug 1 in his left, and as his right is already filled by his upline, he can spill him to extreme right. Like this, every member holds the right to spill his member to extreme left and extreme right when he have members more than 2. Now let's say you have sponsored another one as you have choice to spill, but it's not compulsory to spill. Your members equal to your right and left. You can spill more members into your weaker side to balance your payouts. So let's say we sponsor this member to extreme right. As you sponsor member to your town, this member will also sponsor member, and he will also sponsor. He will also sponsor, he will also sponsor, and he will also sponsor. And the sponsoring continues. But your income is limited to 5-level generation plan. Now the members under you will also sponsor members under them. On joining, all members were given products. And naturally after getting the product, they will use the product once. On using, they will know the quality of the product. And if they wish, they can repurchase the product. On repurchase, they get benefit of 20% on MRP on product. As stated, according to product, this is your retail benefit, and on every 50 rupees purchase, you get 1 point value. Let's say one member on the 5th level buy product worth rupees 5,000. He get 20% retail profit, which is directly discounted in the retail bill. And on every 50 rupees purchase of product, you get 1 point value, and on every 5,000 rupees purchase of product, you get 100 point value. 20% retail profit goes to the members who buy the product, but 100 point value benefit goes to 5 levels. 20% of point value in each level. Any repurchase within this 5 level, when converted to point value, you get 20% of the share. So the more the volume, the more the check value. There is nothing called zero. Now giving you example how you earn in 5-level generation plan. Let's say you sponsor 5 and this 5 sponsor 5 and they sponsor 5 and they sponsor 5. You have 3905 members in 5 level and if each buy for 20 point value, purchase of 1000 rupees in products, and your earning is 78100 per month. Let's say if this is your company's 100% calculation, but your group movement is not 100%. Let's say it is 10% of what we are saying. Even then, you earn 7,810 per month. This is your income number 5. To avail this income, it is mandatory to do minimum repurchase of 20 point value per month, or else this income goes to your above active upline. This is known as auto compress system. As you have group below 5 level also, what do you benefit when they perform? You benefit repurchase binary commission. The structure of binary is just for calculation because there is no activity. In binary, your point also come from your direct and indirect sponsoring, which get calculated in binary structure and you get the payout, and now your point value is also taken from your direct and indirect repurchase and recalculated in binary to give you the payout. Let's say you sponsor 2 and each of your downline sponsor 2 and each buy for 20 point value in the repurchase plan. Your 100 group point value left and your 100 group point value right makes 1 point. And your payout structure from this repurchase plan is as follows: 1 point to 10 point, rupees 40 per point; 11 point to 100 point, rupees 30 per point; and 101 point onwards is rupees 20 per point. Now again given you an example of 2, whereas you have sponsored more than 2, just giving example. Let's say you sponsor 2 and each of them sponsor 2 and each repurchase 20 point value. And if your flow like this goes up to 15th level, then your income can be 1,32,216. And this is your income number 6. Some members are very good in doing movement of product, but they also need motivation. For them we have personal sale performance bonus. 100 PV business per month, they get rupees 125. 200 PV business per month, they get rupees 500. 300 PV business per month, they get rupees 1125. 400 PV business per month, they get rupees 2000. Every additional 100 PV, they get rupees 500. And this is your income number 7. Leaders also need motivation, and for you we have direct sponsor performance bonus. Let's say you have sponsored 40 members on your direct, and out of 40 members, if 10 do business of 100 point value, for that month you earn rupees 600. If 10 members do business for 200 point value,